Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Here we are discussing the topic of functions of 12th standard. Here is a question for the beginners of 12th standard. If f such that is function such that R maps R, that means function from R to R, real number to real number, be a function defined by f of x equals 4x raised to 3 minus 7, show that the function f is a bijective function. Bijective function means this function at the same time obeys the first function, f is on 1 and f is on 2. If a function is at the same time 1 on and on 2, then we can say the function is bijective. To show that this function is a bijective function, f of x equals 4x raised to 3 minus 7, x belongs to R. That is the given function. First of all, we can check f is on 1 for 1 1. 1 1 function R. Therefore, let x1 and x2 belongs to R. Therefore, f of x1 equals f of x2. That is 4x1 cube minus 7 equals 4x2 cube minus 7. That is 4, 7 and 7 cancels. Therefore, 4x1 cube equals 4x2 cube. 4 and 4 cancels. Therefore, x1 cube equals x2 cube. That is x1 cube minus x2 cube equals 0. That is a cube minus b cube equals 0, or x cube minus y cube equals 0. Its factors are x1 minus x2 into x1 squared plus x1 x2 plus x2 squared. x1 minus x2 into x1 squared plus x1 x2 plus x2 squared. That is the factors of x1 cube minus x2 cube equals 0. The second factor we can omit. The first two factor we can take x1 minus x2 equals 0. That is x1 equals minus x2 transposed towards RHS, it becomes x1 equals x2. Therefore, if the function becomes like that, x1 equals x2, then we can say the function, given function is y1 1. 1 1 function. Next, the check is for on2. F is on 2. Let k belongs to R any real number. Let we can consider a real number k. Therefore, f of x equals k. The whole function is considered to be a real number k. Therefore, 4x cube minus 7 equals k, according to our supposition. Therefore, 4x cube equals, when minus 7 transposed towards RHS, it becomes k plus 7. That is 4x cube equals k plus 7. Therefore, x cube equals k plus 7 by 4. K plus 7 whole by 4. X cube equals this one. Therefore, x equals cube root of x plus 7 the whole by 4. Cube root of x plus 7 whole by 4, when I convert it to exponential form, it becomes x equals k plus 7 by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3. It's cube root. Therefore, k plus 7 whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3 belongs to R. Why? Because x belongs to R. Therefore, x equals this one. Therefore, this one belongs to R. F of k plus 7 whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3 equals, in the given function we can apply this k plus 7 the whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3 here 4x cube minus 7, that is 4 into k plus 7 whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3 the whole cube, therefore the whole cube minus 7. Once more, 4 into k plus 7 whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3 the whole raised to 3 minus 7. That is a raised to b the whole raised to d equals a raised to bd. That is k plus 7 by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3 into 3 minus 7. That is k plus k 4 into k plus 7 the whole by 4. 3 into 1 by 3 gives 1. Therefore, I am not hitting that 1 here. 4 into k plus 7 the whole by 4 minus 7. This 4 and this 4 cancels. Therefore, we get k plus 7 minus 7. Plus 7 and minus 7 cancels. Therefore, k equals k. That is, k is the image. This k is the image of k plus 7 the whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3. K is the image of k plus 7 the whole by 4 the whole raised to 1 by 3. That is, this concept obeys the concept of onto function. Therefore, we can define f is onto. F is on, we already established here. And now we fixed that f is onto. From this we can conclude that the given function f of x equals 4x cubed minus 7 is a bijective function. Hence, concluded.